Wow, that's rapid. Fucking hell. Whoa. Whoa. I didn't trust that bump, man. See me? That gave me some wobbles, that did, didn't it? Right, as you can see, it's finally turned up. We've got the Razor Rambler rim now, the 3,500 watt, finally. As you see, it's the right distance now for the axle. That was the only thing what was wrong with it. So what we're going to do, this video, as you can see, is final build, but it's going to be part 1 and part 2. Part 1, you've already seen the build from the last one, but what I'm going to do, I'm going to film it, put the back on, maybe a few connectors. You see me build the front one, put it on the front wheel anyway, so you sort of know that anyway, but I'll do a little run through. Hopefully then it works. We'll take it for a ride, short ride, I'll show you it. Part 2 is then fitting all the accessories, putting the lights on, putting the try and put the casing on, fit the battery in nicely, and then we'll do a proper ride. So fingers crossed, it's come, it's everything I've asked for, so hopefully it all works, and then we'll go from there. So yeah, we'll cut straight in, we'll build it. It's not going to be a perfect one. Then the second part 2 will be the proper build. So thank you for watching again. While I'm on here, I have opened up now, or I'm opening up a store, which will be up in the next week, because I've had so many emails, people asking me for companies, and I tell them companies and they can't contact them or they don't know how to talk to them. So I'm going to cut all the rubbish out. I buy a lot from them, so they're going to give me a good price, be able to give you a good price, and there's going to be an opening special on the controller kit. So I'll tell you more, I'll put a video up about that, but for the minute, let's get on with this, and finally we can get out on the road and see what we can do. Right, this part of the build, it's going to be so minimal because you've already seen me do this to the front wheel. It's exactly the same principle, everything's connected. I'll show you a few shots, then we get the riding done. If you want to see the full build, if you look on my last video where I tried to put it on the front, it's exactly the same, it's just I'm putting it on the back. This part, all we do, we put on our lock-in washer. Just remember, tabs inwards, so it's in the hole. Straight on with our bolt. It'll be the same as the other side. You can see what I'm doing, tightening the bolts up, get it nice and tight so you know that wheel ain't going to fall off on you. Just checking it turns, everything's fine. So now, same as you've seen on all the videos and the far driver click and play cable video. All I'm going to do, just getting everything ready, so I'm connecting all the connectors up. I'm going straight in, look, that's the throttle, and then we're going to go in with the power cable. So then obviously with that kit you get the key as well, what connects it all up, so it turns it all off, so you don't have to muck about. Obviously when you're done with your bike, you pull out the main battery cable. I do, I think most people do. You don't want to leave it running even if you have got the key switch in there. So yeah, so I'm just connecting them all now. I've got to put the handlebars back on because, as you know, I mucked up with my forks, didn't I? Because I tried putting the wheel on the front and it was only a little drop out and it ruined it, so I had to replace the forks, and that's why I've got to put the handlebars back on, because you've got to take the handlebars off, and then you have the main wheel nut. You take that off, then you've got to connect that all back up, then you put your handlebars on. So they're all back on now. Just giving them a good, make sure they're nice and tight, because them handlebars, because it's only on basically in a loop what goes round, if they're not tight and you put pressure on them, you can push them forward, and if you're going at speed and you hit the brake, you're going over the top of them, and that ain't going to be nice, is it, when the sort of speeds you probably could get with these hub motors. So yeah, just finishing really tight and that, make sure that's nice and tight. So that's all tight. Now I'm going to go on with the brake lever. So we're putting on the brake lever. That's the brake I've built. As you can see, the actual bracket I've used on that one's going to be different to what it'll be in the main video when you see it now, because it was too weak. It snapped it when I tried revving it. It was no good. But I've got this brake adapter, brake caliper adapter from Fun Bikes. It was only about £4 delivery, but it's nice, solid, and it fits nicely on the rim. So that's on. Now I'm just going to fit the battery. This is just a basic build, because I just want to see it works. I'm just going to put some nice straps on it, keep it in place. Then my plan is I'm going to actually use the old Razor 16
casing, try and cut out a hole so you can see that Amarage or Moray sign, so it looks a bit nice. I'm going to put LEDs all in it, so it looks really nice. I'm hoping that's going to work, so it's going to be a bit fiddly, but I'll do a video on that. It's only going to be a build, but then I'm going to take it out on another proper long ride. Hopefully this ride's just going to be just to see if it works, get it home to check all the tightness, make sure everything's fine on it, nothing's falling off, the wheel ain't going to fall off and everything else. So yeah, so I put 2 straps along the main front, 2 straps on the side, just to make sure it's nice in, because you don't want that falling off, because that probably would blow up. Big powerful batteries them, beautiful battery, 72 volts. There we go, we're ready for the test. This is the first UK Razor Rambler 16 3,500 volts. Never seen it in the UK, could be wrong, but here we go. And the brake works. Right, and we're off. I think this is the UK's only 3,500 watt Razor Rambler. I don't think the speedo's working properly, to be honest, but a bit stiff on the steering. I think I need to do the brackets better. And let's see. Bloody hell, it picks up. Yeah, I need to sort out the front forks. Too stiff. Well, too stiff. I haven't put the bracket on properly. This is well sketch. Here we go. Let's open it up. Have a little look. Hopefully we don't come off. Oh, that's 40. Yeah, I need to sort out them front forks big time. There we go. So, this is the UK's first Razor Rambler 16. Finally got it working after all the mucking about trying to get it to work. Who's closed that? Oh well, let's go. Let's see if anyone has a go at us. After all the mucking about trying to get it working, now we've got it working. The only thing is, when I've done the forks, I think I've done them a little bit too stiff, to be honest. I think I didn't put the right bearing in. I think we're going to have a look at that, because that's it's just not moving, if you know what I mean. It feels like that could tip at any point. Oh, bumps. That's the only thing with a Rambler, no suspension. That's why I'm going to go to America and I'm going to get an MX 650 frame, and we're going to do the UK's first 650 Razor. I'm going to put 12,000 watt swing arm on it. I hope you follow me on that journey. I'll probably do a few actual vlogs of being in America, picking it up, and all that sort of jazz. I'm just hoping that battery ain't going to fall off. I hope I trust my mechanical skills. It's not really a lot. Where do we go? Shit. Is that the farmer? Come on, so long. What way can we go? Can we go that way? Where do we go down there? Should we go down the hill? Should we have a little look? Let's have a little look. Wow, that's bumpy, isn't it? Oh, is that battery still on? Oh, no, man, I'll just stick to the road. This is too bumpy. My head's shaking. There's people on bloody walking their dogs, I'm going to get told off. Oh man, I need suspension. I want to know if that's still tight. I hope that suspension ain't falling off.
Here we go. Whoa. Yeah, this way you need suspension, man. This is crazy. Oh, just put it away. Oh. No, yeah, morning. I'll let you going this way. That's it. It's only electric. It won't scare him.
That's quite. He might scare you. He starts barking sometimes. Right,
Have a good day. Thank you. That was a nice encounter. That's what I mean. If you're pleasant with people, what harm am I doing, to be honest? I'm not doing any harm. It's not like it's a loud petrol. Like mental. Can I get out this way? Yeah, I can. I can get this way. Let's try a little first little hill. There we go. It's not accelerated. Let's see what. So I know it's about 10 out, double out. Sorry, I just put my phone away. It's about 10 out, so it's about halfway. Let's see. Wow, let's go. Wow, that's rapid. Fucking hell. Whoa. Whoa. I didn't trust that bump, man. See me? That gave me some wobbles, that did, didn't it? Fucking hell. That was mental. Whoa. Yeah, I need to get the dampener. I need to sort the suspension out, I think, because that was mental. I nearly lost that.
That's the sound of the police. That's the sound of the beast.
There. Fuck. Turn around. Let's get out of here. Whoa. Sound of the police. Whoop, whoop, whoop. They're coming my way. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Go, go, go. Come on. Go, go, go. I need to work on that back brake a bit as well, to be honest. Right, let's get this back. Whoa. Yeah, so that was just the first test anyway. Just see what sort of speed we can do. And then we need to muck about with that suspension. And then we're gonna tie it up. We're gonna put lights on it, everything else, sort the back brake out a bit better. Find out what's going on with the suspension. He didn't look too happy, did he?
Once again, thank you for watching. That was part 1. Part 2 will be out soon. We'll get it all looking nice. And if you could please subscribe, that would be great. Thank you again. And on to the next one.